Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your USAA insurance card to the Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, USAA allows digital insurance cards, but availability can vary by the state and the app version. In most of the cases, you can add your auto insurance ID card directly from the application. But in case if you don't see the option, you may need to use an alternative method, which I will show you later in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply download and install your USAA mobile application on your phone. Then simply log in into your account and go to your insurance section in it. Now, when you are inside it, simply tap on your auto insurance policy and then you need to open your ID card or proof of insurance. Now, there is where the digital card is stored. Inside the ID card section, you need to look for this particular button that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you are able to find it, simply tap on it. Then on the next page, you need to review the card information and then tap on the option of Add button on the top right hand corner of the screen. This way, your card will appear in your Apple Wallet for quick access. Now, sometimes this particular option will not appear inside your application. So, the common reasons can be because of the feature not supported in your region, or you are using the outdated version, or sometimes the old cards already saved in your account. So, in that case, you can try deleting any of the old insurance card from the Apple Wallet and then you can check it again. Now, even if after doing this, the wallet support is not available, what you can do is you can either save the ID card as PDF, or what you can do is you can keep it in the form of files or photos. You can also share it via email for quick access. So that's how you can basically use your USAA insurance card with Apple Wallet in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.